If you watch our videos about other appliances, you're probably concerned about repair rates. Electric range is the exception, mostly. Why? Well, electric ranges have always been made the same. Most electric ranges with smooth ceramic glass tops are like those I sold 37 years ago when I started at Yale. Even the glass companies are the same. In this video, you'll learn about the most reliable electric ranges to consider based on about 35,000 service calls logged by us last year. You also learn the most reliable types of electric ranges. We'll discuss a bit about the extended warranties being pushed at you as well. We calculate appliance reliability by dividing the products we serviced by the products we sold in a given year. This video looked at the number of electric ranges sold and serviced from January 1, 2022 to December 31st, 2022. The average repair rate for electric ranges is 6.3% in the first year. Appliances in general are about 9.5%. Those figures are based on at least 30 units sold per brand and a sample size of over 700 ranges. LG and G Profile are tied at just over 2%, which is excellent. Whirlpool is reliable at 3.3%. Most of that figure is inexpensive basic ranges. Beko is good on the higher end because their units are all more expensive front control convection ovens. However, the more featured double ovens require more service, so be mindful of that. I had to include a note about extended warranties. You'll be pushed to buy them whether you're shopping in-store or online. Since 95% of the stores do not offer their own service, you're better off taking your chances and saving money, especially with a generally reliable appliance like an electric range. In the unlikely event your store does offer service, then it's insurance against a larger possible future service bill. The choice is up to you, but don't be pressured to buy one because electric ranges are generally reliable. If you want to learn about induction, the new cooking technology that isn't really all that new, then click here and thanks for watching.